Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful half up half down curly hairstyle. To start, I've popped the hair into a side parting. Now divide the bottom of the hair and we're just going to take a small section and wrap this around our curling tong. Hold for a few seconds and then release. Moving on to the section next to it, we're going to do exactly the same, but this time we're going to wrap it around the tong in the opposite direction. And then just repeat this over all of the hair until everything's curled. Use your fingers to break up those curls a little bit, and we're just going to section off the front of the hair. So take your comb and run it from the top of the head to just above the ear and clip this out of the way for later. And then just repeat this on the opposite side. Take some texture spray and just apply this to the crown of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description box below for you. Next, take a small slice of hair from the top of the head, hold it straight up and then just use a comb to back comb the roots a little bit. And just repeat this on the entire crown of the head. You don't need to back comb the hair if you don't want to, so if not, just skip to the next step. Once you're done with your back combing, just flip all the layers back over and use your comb just to smooth out any tangles. Now all we're going to do is gather up that back combed area. Now just use the comb to smooth out the top layer just so you can't see any of that back combing, and just pop this all into a clear elastic band. Use your fingers to pinch and pull at the crown to get some nice messy volume. Release those front sections on both sides. We're going to start on the side that has the least hair, and I'm just using my comb just to section out a few face framing layers. With the rest of that section, just smooth it out with a comb and bring it around to the back of the head, and then just use a bobby pin to secure it to the left hand side of that little ponytail. Again, use your fingers to pinch and pull so it matches the hair on the top of the head. And then just repeat the same steps on the opposite side. So leave a few face framing layers out, bring the hair to the back of the head, and this time we're going to secure it to the right hand side of that ponytail. Now we're going to take a small section of hair from the middle and just wrap it around your fingers. Then we're going to push your fingers towards the head and then slip a bobby pin through the middle of that curl, just replacing your fingers, and you can spread out the curl along the bobby pin a little bit. Then we're going to go slightly to the right hand side and do the same steps. So wrap the hair around your fingers, creating a barrel curl. And this time we're going to lay it in a slightly different direction to the previous curl, and use your bobby pin to replace your fingers. Move on to the left hand side, so take a small section, wrap them round your fingers, push your fingers towards the head, making sure the curls go in a different direction, and then just slip a bobby pin through the middle of that curl to hold it to the head. Next, take a section just below those we've just pinned and just go slightly to the right hand side, and we're going to do the same again. So wrap that section around a couple of fingers, and now we're going to push this towards the head, making sure we get them as close as possible to the curls above it, and secure this also with a bobby pin. And then for our final curl, we're just going to move to the left hand side slightly and repeat the same steps. Make sure you get these curls pinned in all different directions. apply a little hairspray. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.